Hey, it's Tim here, and in today's video, I'm going to be taking you through how to change the Discover pane once you've already installed Tableau and maybe set a Discover pane previously. In the previous video, I showed you how to change this Discover pane. Here, I've changed it to google.com, so you can see it's not optimized for this amount of space, but what we're going to do is change the setting in Windows. In order to do that, you just need to open the registry for your computer. And so in order to do this, you will need to have admin rights. This video is probably geared towards computer admins who manage a lot of machines and can push registry updates over the network to lots of machines and change this for lots of users at once. In order to get to the registry, I'm just going to run the Windows R. This will allow me to get to this little shortcut here. Just type in regedit and that will open up the registry settings. This is a very dangerous place to be on a machine, so only open this if you know what you're doing. Now you'll see here I've already got this open to the relevant hierarchy. What you essentially need to do is open up this folder, local machine, go to your software folder, and go all the way down to Tableau, and then you'll see that there's multiple folders in the Tableau directory. Go to the version of Tableau in which you want to change the Discover pane URL. And then you'll see here that if you've changed it before, you'll actually already have this Discover pane category. But if you haven't, you just need to right click on the folder, create new, set up a new key, and then you can set the Discover pane here. But as I've said before, I've already done this, so I don't need to create another one. So I'll just go ahead and delete that particular entry. I'll go to this Discover pane option, and you can see here that it's set to google.com, which is what I showed you earlier. And so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to modify this setting by right-clicking the name and hitting modify. And then here we can change it to another URL. Now, I'm just going to set this to the Tableau blog. So I'm just going to find the Tableau blog. Typically just Google that. And then we're just going to grab this URL. I'm going to copy that, minimize this, and then we're going to paste this in here. Now that we've done that, we hit OK. And now that's basically applied. When we close this window, that registry change has been applied. And now when we open the software again, you'll see that the right-hand side has changed to the Tableau blog. So this is how you change the Discover pane once you've already installed Tableau on a machine and maybe even changed the Discover pane previously. This is a great technique for admins who control lots of machines with Tableau software installed. It can also maybe be done at the same time when Tableau is installed so that users automatically get the correct Discover pane settings when the software is installed. Check out my other video for how to do that at the point of installation. If you've enjoyed this video, hit subscribe, hit the bell as well. That really helps out the channel. If not, drop us a comment. Let me know what kind of content you'd like to see in the future, and I'll catch you in the next video.